Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making delicious chicken fajitas. They're simple, flavorful, and perfect for any night of the week. Let's get cooking. To start, in a bowl add some sliced onions. Next, toss in the red and green peppers, followed by 2 diced chicken breasts. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, season with some black pepper, followed by a dash of salt. After that, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Then, a touch of onion powder. Follow with a sprinkle of garlic powder. Then add a touch of oregano. Next, add a dash of chili powder. Finish it off with a pinch of cumin. Now, give it a good mix until everything is combined. From here, cover the mixture and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Once it's finished marinating, the chicken and veggies are ready to cook. In a pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Place the mixture in the pan and cook for about 30 minutes on medium heat until the chicken and vegetables are ready to serve. And there you have it, an easy chicken fajitas recipe ready to dig into. Thanks for hanging out with me on Simply Easy Cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.